What's up, guys? Ici, c'est le Grand Bonaventure Junior sur Instagram. Nous sommes en présence du très grand Omani Soso. Chef, question 1. Question.
What you say?
Question 1.
Question 1. Okay, what's the question 1?
Voilà. Dis-nous un peu d'où t'es venu l'envie de collectionner tout ça, d'avoir ton propre dressing. En gros, ici, il y a tout quoi. Tu as tout, les accessoires de tout.
Okay.
Say what?
Where you found the inspiration to have a dressing, personal dressing? You have everything.
Okay. It's like this. Definitely. Firstly, I would say, since I was a little kid, I've had this in my head. Like one day, I'm gonna have a shoe rack on my own name. A shoe rack. Like you see now up there, I put my name. From little kid, I've been having that in my mind that I want to have a shoe rack because I love shoes. Yeah, I can feel very comfortable with shoes. Even though, like here, I can stay here like a whole day thinking like I won't eat. I can be here, but I'll feel very okay, feel very comfortable. Okay?
Dans les chaussures. Bon, il peut même passer toute une journée ici à penser à sa vie, tout ça, mais il va pas se sentir genre ennuyé.
Man, check. On se comprend.
Ah,
Okay,
you understand?
You understand,
It's the
right?
same.
Alright, no
Yeah.
problem.
That's why they will. Ok, vas-y.
Question
Okay.
2.
Question 2.
Pourquoi tu es devenu un collectionneur de sneakers? En gros, pour les paires même. Ici, on voit pratiquement, il y a des Nike, il y a des Adidas, et après, il y a des
Nickelback.
il y a tout quoi. En gros, pourquoi ces genres de paires, en gros?
Okay, why you choose especially Nike? Like, what make you love Nike and
All this-
everything?
all the
Yes.
collection.
Why this?
Okay, no problem. That makes a lot of sense. Firstly, everybody love Nike. Almost everybody, not everybody though. From 1 to 100, I would say 8 people love Nike. You understand? So definitely, I love Nike. And I'm a person I love wearing some kind of shoes that I feel like people don't wear. That's why I like to buy collab. I like to buy collab shoes. I don't really like just buy the direction. I like to buy collab shoes because it make more sense. You understand? So definitely, I have Nike here. I have 8 Studio. I have Nike. I have just a few though. And I have Naked Wolf, I have Bershka, I have Zara. The reason is that mixing the collection make it more beautiful. You don't expect me having Nike all the way here.
Mais pourquoi? Là, j'ai vu, il n'y a pas d'Adidas. Il n'aime pas l'Adidas.
You don't like Adidas?
Yeah, I love Adidas though, but I prefer Adidas for slides. I have Adidas for slides, but not
Okay.
for
Pour
shoes.
les sandales.
Yeah, I have for slides. But I don't want to disregard them, but I don't really like their shoe that much. The only Adidas that freak me is this one, Adidas Forum. Yeah, that's the one that freaked me. I really love it because it's big. That's why I love it. But aside from that, I prefer Adidas slides than having Adidas shoes. Yeah, that's it.
Ok.
T'as compris, il préfère les sandales et du pied que les sneakers. Ouais.
Ok.
Alright.
Question 3. Dis-nous ton nom sur Instagram et sur les autres réseaux. C'est Manu.
Your name on Instagram and everywhere.
Okay, my name on Instagram is Mani Soso. Then Mani everybody call me everywhere. Mani or Mani Soso, that's what they call me everywhere.
Alors, sur tes pages, donne-nous un peu de.
Okay, what's that?
Donne-nous 2 photos que tu aimes le plus. sur ta
Okay,
page.
on your Instagram page, show us 2 of your favorite pictures.
My favorite picture.
Yeah.
Bro, I love taking pictures and I have a lot of
When
favorite
he
pictures.
said 2, just 2.
Okay, let's do this though. I have a lot of favorite pictures though, but let me look for one for you. That here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is crazy. This is about to believe.
Got you.
Yeah, I will get it though. Yeah, I have a favorite picture though. I will get it.
Il y a beaucoup quoi.
Okay, so because the guy don't have a lot of pictures, that's why he told me to get my own favorite.
Yeah.
Okay, because now I have a lot of photos. Definitely, I will get it. Yeah, I will get it. Yeah, my favorite pictures. This first one with the video. Yeah,
Ok.
yeah, my first one with the video.
Okay.
First one. Yeah, that one with the video. Yeah, then the second one is here. Let me get it for you. It's close by. You guys can't get me on this. You guys can't get me on this. Seriously? Where is this crazy thing? Okay, nah, I get it. Yeah, this one.
Ok.
Yeah.
No, it's good, man.
Yeah, this one. So, it's good, right?
Yes.
Alright, no problem. You guys need to get my leg on this.
Question 4. Ton truc, c'est le streetwear où tu penses quoi de ton style?
What is your style? Like streetwear or you have another style?
Definitely streetwear, like hip hop style. Yeah, I just love hip hop style. Mistakenly, I do like that kind of classic dress, but I don't really like classic dress because I want to remember my style. I want to be myself. You understand? I want to remember myself. I just have few classic dress, but I prefer hip hop streetwear. I prefer that.
Ok.
Yeah.
Dis-lui, je suis un fan.
Fan. It's your fan.
Ah, that's very nice. Thank you so much, bro. You give me half for that. Yeah, no problem, man.
Question 5. T'as combien de chaussures?
Yeah, that's gonna be crazy. How many stickers is here?
Yes.
Okay. Now the thing is like this. I don't really know how many stickers I have though. But from here in Togo, the one I brought here in Togo, I don't still know how much stickers I have. But we'll start counting. I think that's what we'll do. Because I don't know how many stickers I have here. Because I have a lot here and I have a lot in Nigeria. But these ones that are here, I don't know how many. You understand? So we'll start counting. So I'll let you count.
Il te laisse compter alors. Parce qu'il en a apporté un bon nombre ici, il en a d'autres au Nigeria. Il ne sait pas combien il en a au Nigeria, il ne sait pas combien il en a. Mais il te laisse compter. Oh shit! Bah commence frère.
Oh man! Oh! Il en a tellement, man.
Yeah, we have shoes up there and we have inside
Yeah,
the store there.
Et en plus, c'est pas fini. Hein.
Ils
Celui-ci devait tout ramener. Oh man. Franchement, c'est un boss.
Yeah, I love shoes though. Yeah, I love shoes. Big time. Let's move.
Question 6. Ta pointure.
Your size.
45.
Yeah, 45.
Ah, it's 45. Ah, it's 45.
Yeah.
Ok, maintenant, bah, s'il te plaît, tourne. On va voir. Ok. Go to see.
Alright, no problem.
Si tu devais choisir, on va dire 5 paires parmi toute ta collection, tu choisirais lesquelles?
If you might choose just 5 shoes right now.
Which one we choose?
Which
5.
one? Yeah, just 5.
Si aujourd'hui tu dois partir.
Just no. You
No,
have
no,
to
no.
go somewhere, but you
Choose 5 shoes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Seriously?
Yeah, just 5
Right now.
right
Yes,
now.
But firstly, the thing is that before I wear shoes, I need to check my dress.
No, just not like someone call you is impossible.
5.
Okay, don't want just coming right
Yeah.
now. Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely. Okay, I don't know. This is crazy shit.
Yeah, take your time. Oh.
I'm not taking time, though. I'm trying. Okay, I'll pick this. Nickel.
Ok.
Ok, 1.
Yeah. 1.
Est-ce que tu as compris? Ça, il a ça depuis 2 ans et il peut mettre ça avec n'importe quoi.
Oui,
Il
en plus-
adore ça.
En plus, ça va sur tout.
Ouais, c'est ce qu'il dit. Il peut
Ouais.
mettre ça avec n'importe
Yeah.
quoi.
Then this A Studio can also fit any dress. But because of the quality of it, I love wearing anything original quality and everything like that. So because of the high quality of it, I think this is one of the most expensive shoes here. So I would love to wear it because of that. You
Donc, c'est
understand?
l'une de ces chaussures les plus chères et c'est très confortable. Et ça va avec tout aussi.
A Studio.
Sinon, ça déchire. Man.
You love it.
Yeah, you love it.
Yes.
That's nice.
Good.
Then we have Hello. I just got it. It's new, which is Hello with
Yeah.
Nike though. So definitely I will wear this out because this is gonna fit a little bit. Then my Naked Wolf. Definitely you guys know I love Naked Wolf. That's why we use this Naked Wolf because I love this one more. Then this camper, I've never used this camper. It's from Camper, so I'll definitely try to use it for the first time. That's why we pick it.
Ça, il a jamais porté, mais il adore. Donc, il va devoir le porter.
Yeah, that's why we pick the camper. That's the only camper I have here.
C'est le seul camper qu'il a ici.
C'est tes 5 paires préférées, ça.
Yeah.
Ok.
Apprends dans l'urgence. Hein.
Oui, oui. Mais
Ok.
ce sont, lorsque je lui ai dit de prendre les 5, c'est eux. Quoi.
Oui, c'est ça
Ouais,
que j'ai
ouais.
choisi. Yeah.
Bah, désolé. Hein. Désolé.
Sorry.
No, I love them too. No, hey. I love you guys. No, that I don't love you guys. I love you guys, but I prefer this for now.
Ok. Bah, dernière question. Et
Last
question
question.
phare.
Okay.
J'ai un cadeau pour toi. Je ne sais pas si tu vas aimer ou
I
pas.
have a gift for you. I don't know if you like it or not.
Yeah, I love gifts.
Ok.
I love gifts.
Mais
Il
maintenant,
adore les cadeaux.
mais pour pouvoir l'avoir, tu dois me le dire la paire que j'ai portée.
Okay, you have to win the gift.
Okay.
You have to say, what is the name of the shoe you wear?
Okay, definitely. I have not really seen the type of shoe. What I've seen is Air, but I think it's a Nike. Air Force.
Non.
It's not Nike?
It's
Yes,
Nike.
it's
You
Nike.
said it's collab, right?
Oui, it's Nike, mais collaboration for
Collab with what?
SK, that's SK. What's SK? No, that's like that.
ça fait pratiquement 5 ans. C'est
Okay,
tout.
can I check?
Yes, man. Okay. Mais non, non, si. Yeah. Man.
Okay. So like Nike with tailwind.
Ouais, TN, yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Or Nike with tailwind.
Yes, man.
Okay. Because I didn't check. If I didn't check, but I know the Nike symbol is there. But I don't know the other collaboration. But I know it's collaboration shoes though. So let's say the guy a gift for me, but I don't know who's gift that. Alright.
Bah, ça, je pense que c'est un accessoire de mode et tout.
It's a bag.
Yeah, I love gift though.
For your photo. Yes, yeah, for your photo. Yeah,
Alright.
you-
Okay.
Yes.
Alright. Now I'll put a sound on it.
Ça.
Alright. Now they're gonna put a sound on it. Then we're gonna put manis on it though. So manis gonna be little. Got the manis here.
Money.
Yeah, so you guys can see. We got the manis here though, definitely. This bag is cool though.
Cadeau, man.
Merci, eh?
De rien, chef.
Merci, eh? This is very nice, bro. Thank you so much. This is very nice. This is very nice.
Ok, là, bah, je suis rentré, franchement, j'ai aimé. Mais j'ai encore 2 questions pour toi à te
Ok.
poser.
have two
Je vais
questions.
juste prendre ça. Là, on prend la Travis Scott. J'arrive. Et on va être classique. Franchement, on va être classique. Classique. Man. Bah, là, je veux juste te demander le prix de l'Air Force.
I want to know the price of Air Force.
Okay. The price of this Air Force is like it's Air Force and Supreme. They didn't put it up so much, so it's
Yeah,
like
so-
I think $90 for this one, minus the shipping. It's
Yeah.
$90 for this one.
Non, parce que il ne ment pas, parce que là, c'est une collaboration avec Supreme.
Yeah, with
Et de
Supreme.
base avec Nike Air Force même, de base c'est à 100 quelque chose.
Yeah.
Avec Supreme, c'est plus cher. Si c'était simple Air Force, ça n'allait pas trop, mais avec Supreme, man. Ok. Yeah. Là, c'est la Travis Scott. Je pense que pratiquement les gars de mon âge, ou bien les jeunes de mon âge, ont écouté un truc dessus, quoi. Sinon, bah, je veux juste savoir le prix de ça. Et,
How much I got it, right?
Yeah.
et où tu l'as pris.
Why you buy?
Okay, I got it in a luxury store in Abuja. I got it about $210 for this one. This Travis Scott is out. Yeah, 210.
If I go,
No problem. I will give you that. No problem. I will give you that.
man.
Je vais te donner un jeu. Si tu gagnes, tu vas avoir la Travis Scott. Mais si tu gagnes,
Okay. I'll pick 2 shoes. It's
Yeah.
like this. I'll pick 2 shoes. Huh?
yes.
If you can guess the price of the 2 shoes, you win your Travis Scott.
Ok, il va prendre 2 chaussures. Si tu imagines le prix des chaussures, tu as tes Travis Scott.
Okay.
It's okay? It's okay.
Yes.
Now I will pick the shoes that you like. Definitely, this is Nike though. We're talking about company. So let's see if you can guess these 2 shoes. The price of these 2 shoes. Anyone you can get. Guess the price in dollar. Guess the price in dollar.
Ça, on est sur du classique. Et franchement, si c'est du classique, déjà je pense que présentement sur Stockies, ça doit être pas plus de $150.
Okay, what he say?
C'est pas
Pas plus. En
$150.
gros, oui. En gros, on est au
Ok.
Kebal.
$150. 50.
150.
$150.
$150. Guess this.
Ça,
Et
franchement,
puis,
c'est une belle collaboration de Nike. Et avec la couleur rouge bordeaux, bas, franchement, ça on voit. Les gars, aidez-moi là.
Guys, help me.
170. Pas plus de 200.
He said 117 to 200. For this.
170 to 200.
Yeah.
Then you say this is 150.
150.
All right. Okay. It's like he
Non,
knows
mais
she's
on va
very
pas
well.
oublier un truc. On va pas oublier un truc. Lorsque la pointure évolue,
He said, don't forget
le
something.
price,
If
c'est en gros la somme.
your size is big, the price is big.
Yes.
He
On
said,
va
don't
passer
forget
definitely.
something.
On va pas se mentir.
So guess your last guess on this show.
Oh,
Guess your last
Ok,
guess.
genre ton dernier prix. Ton dernier prix.
220.
Ok, 220.
He's right.
220.
Oh yeah, he's right on
Toi,
this.
tu as gagné. You don't take time.
Man. S'il vous plaît, il y a mon Instagram en bas. Venez m'écrire, man. C'est du vrai, c'est du vrai. Je vous attends, je vous attends. Hello.
But this, he was partially right on this though. He was partially right. I got this. I think it's 260. He said 250. I got it at 260.
Ok.
He was partially right.
250, 250.
But this is 220. Definitely, exactly 220. I got
C'est
it.
exactement $220.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly those something I got is that. That was very good for you, bro.
En gros, mes heures passées avec mon PC, ça a payé. Ça a payé.
Le disque va payer.
Yeah.
Non, tu allais. Je le vends, hein, man. On va construire la maison.
Yeah.
Ok, chef, là-bas. Déjà, ici, je
Beshka.
pense que oui. J'ai jamais entendu parler.
He don't know Beshka.
Okay, this is Beshka.
Oh, man.
If you don't know, it's good to know. We learn every day.
Yeah.
You guys are not
Si tu
familiar
connais
with
pas, on apprend
Naked
tous les
Wolf.
jours, donc c'est bien.
You can know it today.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Et franchement, ça on voit du peps. Ça sur un bon deal, avec un bon haut, bah, franchement. Mais tu l'as pris à combien?
How much?
Okay, this price of this Beshka, I think I got it about like, $110 or I think $100. Yeah. I think
$100.
Yeah.
C'est pas un serveur qui va acheter ça.
Okay, let's go.
Bah, là on a.
C'est un Dior,
Tonton.
Euro.
Yeah.
The euro.
Ouais, ça franchement, j'ai rêvé d'avoir ça, mais seulement que j'ai pas pu. Parce que c'était vraiment cher sur Stokis et sur Kikis. Non, voyez, c'est certifié quoi. C'est
It's
Out of
certifié.
stock.
It's expensive.
Yeah.
So he just buy it in his dream.
Bah, là. En plus, regardez là, regardez. En fait, c'est pas du fake ici. Bah, je peux savoir le prix et
Can I
c'est
know
où
the
tu l'as pris.
price and
Okay.
where you found it?
Okay, definitely. I also bought it in a luxury shop in Italy. Definitely. My brother got it from me there.
And Italy.
So the thing is that definitely how I'm gonna say the price. Like I think I got it about is it not like I think it's $4 something, like $400 to $450 I got it.
Ok,
Plus the shipping.
400
Yeah.
et $450.
Là-bas, on va pas se mentir, moi aussi j'aime être classique et jouer là.
Yeah, that's
C'est une de mes paires, franchement.
okay.
We love this.
Bah,
The
ça,
price is there.
Il y a le prix déjà dessus.
399 tele. That is Turkey money. Turkey currency. 399 tele.
Ok, donc presque 400.
Oui, on peut.
No. Yeah, I love this definitely.
Là-bas,
Like, yeah,
on est sur ça.
very like me. Let me get this so that I will let you know. Let me explain this.
Oh,
for
ouais.
you. Yeah, definitely you can pull
ouais.
this. Yeah, pull it. Yeah, pull it.
Tu peux enlever.
Yeah. Yes. Definitely this crazy. Yo. That's our roll.
Ouais, là je veux connaître le prix de cette paire et En gros, lorsque je te demande où tu as chopé la paire, parce que ici c'est rare, juste les photocopies qui sont au grand marché, il n'y a que les applications à l'extérieur. C'est pour cela moi je te demande le prix, en fait, pour savoir où. S'il y a un de mes abonnés ou il y a un de nos frères qui veut choper la paire, où il peut prendre ça.
Okay, when I ask the price, it's because I want to buy it, the original one, because in this country,
No,
they
you can't
just
find
have
limited,
fake. So it's why I asked you the price.
Okay.
And
This one actually is a limited edition. I just got it though. So this one is like, I think it's like $260. I got it.
$260.
Yeah, $260.
C'est une édition limitée.
Yeah, limited edition. There's not much in the market.
C'est pas, il y en a pas beaucoup sur le marché.
Bah, là, je pense que ça, je devais choisir ça. J'avais ça en tête. La SB
Yeah, from SB.
Dunk. Bah,
You want to guess?
pour ceux qui ne le savent pas, de base, la chaussure est conçue pour les skateurs. En gros, après, c'est un des modèles revisités de chez Nike. Alors, chef, je sais que tu n'es pas un grand amateur de skateboard et tout, mais pourquoi cette paire?
Why you choose this one?
Actually, I've not really used it though since I got it. I've not used it. You
Depuis
see,
qu'il a acheté,
yeah,
il a jamais acheté.
yeah, I've done it since I got it. You understand? But the thing is that I just love the pearl. It's skilled with the
Yeah.
red color, with this color mixed with this. It's very beautiful. You can see it got leather tinting. It's very, very beautiful. So that's why I pick it.
Non, je te comprends parce que moi-même ça me fait. Il y a des paires, je peux jamais les porter, mais je dois les avoir. Mais franchement, tu as du goût. Tu as du goût.
Yeah, that's it, bro.
You know how to choose.
Yeah, definitely. We love shoes, like we deal on shoes and everything. Wow, pick a Naked Wolf. Now we'll go on Naked Wolf. Have you seen this shoe before?
Oh, man.
Est-ce que tu as vu Fabuleux?
Non, man.
Non.
Parce que là, c'est comme si moi j'ai cette paire, je vais marcher sur la mer.
What are you saying now?
Wait.
What are you saying?
Avec ça, moi je pense que je serai président dans 2 mois même.
If he had this shoe, he will be president. And he walk
You walk on the sky?
water.
Seriously? Bro, that's crazy.
Yo man, no, it's good.
Yeah, that was Naked Wolf. I got it from
Ça
UK.
envoie du peps. Bah, ici, je l'ai jamais vu.
He never
Et
had
je
it.
pense que il y a mes frères aussi, ils ne l'ont jamais vu.
He say, even the
Mais
his
après,
brothers
si
don't-
un jour on décide de la voir, où on peut la voir, ou
And
le prix aussi. s'il te
if
plaît.
one day they want to have it, the price and where you
Get
got
it.
it.
Okay, definitely. This is a Naked Wolf. As you guys see, I put Naked Wolf on all the sides. All the sides are Naked Wolf, though. So, this price of Naked Wolf, though, firstly, is $299. I got it from Naked Wolf.
299.
Yeah, I got it from Naked Wolf UK.
La compagnie même en UK c'est où? À
UK,
Londres.
London.
À Londres.
Ah, ok.
Yeah, my friend over. I ordered it online by myself. I wrote to them on Instagram and I told them I've placed my order. Then I send the link to my friend, and my friend go to the shop directly and get it off of me.
Ok, donc il a commandé en ligne lui-même à la compagnie et il a un ami à qui il a envoyé les liens. Donc l'ami en question allait à la boutique
Oui, hein,
pour
réceptionner.
récupérer. Yeah.
Ah, ok.
Yeah, that's.
Là, on termine avec celle-là et c'est bon.
Donc, oui,
La Balenciaga.
Yeah,
La
Balenciaga.
Balenciaga. Franchement, c'est pas les Balenciaga ou je sais pas ce qu'on va au marché. Ça, c'est Balenciaga. Bah, man, présentement, au marché ou bien sur le marché, en gros, en elle-même, il n'y a plus ça.
Ça donne.
Si un jour on veut la voir, ou si moi, demain, je décide de la voir, je peux le trouver par
If I want to get it tomorrow, where can I find it?
Okay, definitely this is Balenciaga. I only have 5 of this track. I only have 5 of it. You don't say I don't have too much of it. I only have 5 of it. Firstly,
Cinq.
I ordered it in US. I bought it from US. Ordered it in US.
Il a commandé ça aux États-Unis.
The price for each one was $1K. So I definitely ordered it through my personal shopper. She got it was a girl though. She got 5 of it for me from US. It took me about I think 2 weeks before I got it. So if you want to get it tomorrow, it's impossible. Unless you have it in the store, which they don't have store here in Togo. So that means you need to order it from them to come to Nigeria or come to Togo or anywhere before you receive it. So definitely 2 weeks will be okay.
J'ai besoin de 2 semaines parce qu'il n'y a pas la boutique au Togo, comme tu le sais. Donc, le temps de commander,
recevoir et tout. Non, ça je sais un peu ce qu'il endure et tout.
Ouais.
Mais maintenant, pourquoi j'ai vu beaucoup de paires de... j'ai vu la marque là-dessus, beaucoup de paires.
Yeah.
Pourquoi
Why you
Wolf?
choose a naked wolf?
Okay.
Because notice that you have many.
Okay. Okay. The thing is that why I choose naked wolf is that it's not new though, but a lot of people don't have it in Africa.
Pourquoi il a choisi ça? C'est pas vraiment nouveau, mais beaucoup
Most people that have it is
en
artists.
Afrique.
The only most people that have it now is artists. You understand? Because it's a bit expensive. You understand? So and they're different. Naked wolf, they're different. You understand? Naked wolf, they're different. You can see a lot of shade. Naked wolf, they're
La
different.
maquette est différente. Si tu peux vérifier, genre.
Yeah, they're very different.
Man, même avec ça, je pense que... Je sais pas, mais franchement, j'ai plus les mots, man.
The way naked wolf make their shoes is different. You can see now.
La façon dont ils font leurs chaussures, c'est vraiment
I can
différent.
remove these at the same time, and I get this shit, and I put it here. Their clothes are different, definitely.
Non, man, it's good. Bah, merci beaucoup, chef. Merci
Thank you
beaucoup.
very
You are
much.
Eh,
welcome.
mes gars, chef, je l'ai vu, hein. Je l'ai vu la petite biscotte. Merci beaucoup. Bah,
Thank you.
No problem,
merci
bro.
beaucoup d'avoir accepté notre invitation.
We are man, we are Africa. Nah, là on se check, man. Alright, no problem, bro. Take care of yourself, man. Alright.
Bah, ça, on est sur un modèle phare de Off-White, rédigé par Vanjal, qui est récemment décédé, paix à son âme. Mais franchement, il a fait beaucoup de trucs dans le monde de sneakers et tout. Et je pense qu'il est un des icônes de Off-White et qu'il repose en paix. Franchement, merci beaucoup à toi, chef. Merci beaucoup.